mean, I've made I don't know how many tens of thousands of dollars I made on the stock, and I know a lot of you have made a lot of money on the stock. In fact, let me know if you actually took a look at it because it's been going up a lot. And so the last month it's up over 100%. Last 6 months, 382%. Year to date, 518%. Over the last year, 1,945%. Last 5 years, 1,245%. So here's the thing about OKLO that you want to just sort of understand. There are red flags, like my friend Karma J, the singer. She has a song called Red Flags. And one of the red flags with OKLO that you want to keep in mind is that this stock is it's not even they're not even revenue positive yet. They're not even making any money yet. Forget profitability. They're not even making a profit yet. So a lot of the reason for Oklo's rise is just speculation. And I'll say this: if you look at the bull and bear case for Oklo, I was also a little bit speculative on the stop because Sam Altman, who runs OpenAI, was involved, and I just again my whole theory is right now you just follow the Trump, and so whatever Trump gets involved with, that tends to do quite well, just because just kind of how the government operates apparently. It wasn't always like that, but that's what you're seeing right now. And some of you may own Intel. You saw Intel had a big jump this week. And what I remember thinking when I saw that the government took a stake in Intel's, I bought Intel immediately. And then later on, they made a deal with NVIDIA, which surprise, surprise, I'm willing to bet you. And there it is on the screen. You can see it has that big jump right there. Surprise, surprise, NVIDIA comes along and says, guess what? We're going to invest $5 billion into Intel. Okay, okay, cool. I mean, I expect that. I feel like Jensen Wong is Donald Trump's bitch. I feel like he's gonna do what Trump asked him to do. Now, the next thing that they have to do for Intel is get them customers, and that's what's going to be important. Intel's not out of the woods yet. They got a lot of work to do, and I'd be willing to bet you that behind the scenes they're working to get customers for Intel. And as soon as a big player comes along and co-signs on Intel, you're I'm not predicting. I don't predict stocks. I told you, you guys know this, right? And this is not investing advice, but I can definitely tell you that one day I'm hoping that I'm logging in to tell you that yeah, that deal we talked about with Intel, where someone was going to go buy their product, that deal just happened and the stock price jumped again. So basically, after the Nvidia deal happened, I remember thinking, okay, this made me a lot of money, but I believe that there's going to be another deal coming down the pike, and because they know that Nvidia is not fixed yet, and so they started the job. I believe they're going to finish it, and I'm looking here at my shares on Intel. I think I'm going to buy some more actually. I'm not telling you to buy Intel. I'm just telling you what I'm doing in case it helps you in terms of making your decisions on investing.